Garsty Poo. Today I'm joined by
Caroline
and Allison. And today, what are we gonna do?
Explore the watermelon with rubber bands.
Yes, we are. All right, it's gonna be fun. Let's do it.
Are we supposed to be counting, or do we just put them on?
We can just put them on.
Okay.
I suck at this.
Whoa. Here, Kyle, you grab one side of it and be like, yeah. Or whoever sums up. Yeah, there you go. Here, you grab one side and I grab the other. Here you go.
Oh, is that 3?
Yeah, Carol's got a triple. It's like watermelon roulette. Like, you see who does it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Wait,
see who it busts on.
Yeah. Do you think this one has more than the pumpkin one right now, or is it about the same?
It's about the same.
Well, that one just flew off. No, yeah.
How is it not?
Alright, that's the last one. Ready?
Yep, come on.
Here, you start right over there. There you go.
Oh my gosh. Took every single rubber band.
Wait. Well, this is the part where you just give up. I found one!
I got him, yes.
Yeah! It was just the purple one. Are you okay?
It's about to. What just happened?
It squirted all in my face. Replay. Instantly.
Replay. Oh,
I feel like wasted.
Oh, I felt the water come off of it.
Look at it.
I think we're out after this.
Hey, watch out, Joe.
Yeah, here, come this way,
Watch out, Joe.
Here you go.
It's wet any moment.
I'm not gonna.
Oh, okay, here, Colin, we'll do it. Maybe we should sit and watch it. Oh! Hold on, there's more over here. I dropped them all, remember?
Oh my god! Tripped over that guy's body.
That was the funniest part. Snack time. Oh my god, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
It's so heavy. Let me feel it. Let me see it. Oh no,
God.
Let me see it, Joe.
No, that was so funny.
Feel it.
Ow, that kind of hurt.
Yo, no.
It hit you? No!
Huh? No, I just fell back.
I hope that was on the camera.
I think it was. Hope you guys like that video. Thank you, Allison and Caroline, for coming and joining us.
What? It's watermelon.
Who, me? Well, thank you for Allison and Caroline for coming out. And thank you for watching. Peace out.
Tasty.